He's in love with you if he says these 6 things is a video that discusses 6 common things that someone might say if they are in love with you. Whether you're trying to figure out if someone has feelings for you or just interested in learning more about the nuances of romantic relationships, this video can provide you with some helpful insights. And know that the last theories are the most important. Number 1. When someone tells you, "I can't stop thinking about you," it can be a very flattering and exciting statement to hear as a woman. It means that you have made a strong impression on them, and that they are constantly thinking about you, which can be a sign that they have strong feelings for you. As a woman, hearing this statement can be a clear indicator that someone is interested in you romantically or emotionally, and it can be a great confidence boost. Number 2. When someone says, "I admire you so much," it is a clear indication that they hold you in high esteem and value the qualities and characteristics that make you who you are. This can be a sign that they see the best in you and appreciate both your strengths and vulnerabilities. If someone is in love with you, they may see you as someone who inspires them and motivates them to be a better version of themselves. They may also admire your unique qualities, big or small, and find these qualities to be endearing and attractive. Number 3. When someone says to you, "I feel so comfortable around you," it can be a sign that they feel safe and at ease in your presence. This can be a very positive statement to hear, particularly if you are interested in building a strong connection with this person. It suggests that they are able to let their guard down around you and be vulnerable, which is often an important component of building intimacy and trust in any kind of relationship. If you hear this statement, it may be a good indication that the person is interested in exploring a deeper connection with you and values the comfort and security they feel when they are around you. Number 4. When someone says, "I want to make you happy," it is a clear indication that they prioritize your happiness and well-being. This statement suggests that the person is willing to go out of their way to do things that will bring a smile to your face or make you feel good. It can be a very positive statement to hear, as it shows that the person is invested in your happiness and wants to contribute to it in any way they can. If someone is willing to make an effort to make you happy, it can be a strong sign that they care deeply about you and want to show you their affection and love. Number 5. When someone tells you, "I see a future with you," it is a clear indication that they are thinking long-term and may see you as a potential life partner. This statement suggests that the person is invested in building a future with you and is willing to plan for it together. It can be a very positive statement to hear, particularly if you share similar feelings towards this person. If someone sees a future with you, it can be a sign that they are serious about the relationship and are committed to making it work. However, it's important to take this statement in context and ensure that you are both on the same page regarding your future plans and goals. Number 6. When someone says, "I love you" to a woman, it is one of the most straightforward ways to express their deep affection and emotional connection with her. This statement suggests that the person cares for her deeply and values her as a person. However, it's important to note that not everyone may feel comfortable saying this right away, so it's important to pay attention to their overall behavior and actions towards you. It's also important to have open and honest communication about each other's feelings and expectations in the relationship. In conclusion, these 6 statements can be helpful indicators that someone is in love with you. However, it's important to remember that everyone expresses their love and affection differently, so it's important to pay attention to overall behavior and actions towards you. Please comment on the video, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more great content.